This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the core prerequisites. Wear OS-compatible watch or updated Galaxy Watch with Google Play, the Google account signed in, and NFC enabled. Now open the Google Pay app on your watch or, if absent, open Play Store on the watch and install Google Pay. Once installed, open Google Pay on the watch. Grant permissions for location and NFC when prompted. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on so the watch has network access. This starts the secure wallet setup immediately. On the watch, choose Add a Card and follow prompts. Either scan the card with your phone's camera or type numbers directly on the watch or paired phone when prompted. After entering details, your bank will require verification. Use the bank's app, an SMS code, or a verification phone call. Once you approve the verification, the card is provisioned to the watch's secure element. Make sure each step shows success. If a card fails, repeat Add with correct details and verification method. To pay, wake the watch, open Google Pay, select the card if not default, and hold the watch face near the terminal until you feel a vibration or see confirmation. Payment uses the watch's secure element so the phone can be distant. If the terminal rejects payment, first toggle NFC off/on and retry. Next, restart the watch. Finally, ensure Google Pay and watch firmware are updated. If still failing, remove and re-add the card after contacting your bank for authorization. That usually resolves provisioning errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.